Yeah, we are welcome to this channel. We're looking at Venn diagrams and problem solving. So in this segment, we're taking two Venn diagrams and three Venn diagrams with a lot of questions. Okay, for the intro, I would like to take us to introduction. Okay, for two Venn diagram, for this one set A, this one set B. Okay, so where they overlap, where they meet, it's called the intersection. Okay, and when you have two Venn diagrams, it must be enclosed inside a universal set. The regions inside these box, outside the box, is called a union B complements. Okay, that's that. And the combinations of these circle, the combinations of this shape is called a union space outside these two boxes. It's called a union B complex. Yeah, in this question we have 50 students were asked what they did last night. 16 said they read a book. 41 said they watched television. If 7 said they did neither, how many did both? The first thing we are going to do in this aspect is to use a notation to represent this information. So the first one is let the universal set of all students. This bracket, this one, mean what? Set of. And then the total we have here is what? Is 50. Let B be book readers. And then let T be television watchers. So then the next thing to do now, we are told that 17 did neither. So what will be the notation? And then we are being told to find those that perform the actions of B and how many did both. That's the intersection. And let that one be what? Let's call that one, let it be unknown. Okay? With this symbol X. Those that did nothing, that's a B union T complements. We have as what? As 7. We can place this information on the Venn diagram. This 7 will be outside. Okay? The intersection. So where they overlap here, you're going to deduct from this place. So this place will be what? We are going to find B intersect complements. That means we want to find the book readers only. The number of B, the book readers were given 16 for this one. Television watch 41 for that place. So B intersect T complement is going to be 16 minus X. Okay. And then this place, B prime intersect television. That's a 41 minus X. This is a book reader only. This is a television only. I mean, this 41 minus. Anywhere you have intersection, those that perform the two actions, okay, you need to take it away from this place. You need to take it away from the whole of the set. So then the next thing to do now is to set up an equation for universal set. The universal set is 50 equal to what you have here plus this one here, and then plus this one here, and then plus the 7 outside. Because the universal set is the total of the whole rectangle, the total of what you have inside the box. Okay, so this and this we cancel. Then we're going to have 16 plus 41 and then plus 7. Okay, so we're having 50 equal to 64x. Then you can move this minus x to other side, and that'll be what? That'll be x equal to what? 64 minus 50, and that's what? That's 14. 14 is the number of those that did both. Those that did both, they are 14. And that's the end of the first part. If you are watching me for the first time and you are yet to subscribe, please click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't stop there. Click on the like button and begin to put your comment through. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platform. Thank you. Next question.